Welcome, today I'm showing you how to hide photos in your gallery in your Realme Narzo 50 Pro. First of all, need to open standard application on this phone, it's a gallery, this one. Next one, from our photos, choose something what you wanna hide. And for example, I wanna hide these two photos, press and hold to select, and then on the bottom we got hide button, tap it. And we got message, moved to hidden album. And now for opening, tap to albums and then press and hold albums. And now need to enter your privacy password. If you don't have your privacy password, need to set up it firstly. And now we open our hide photos in our hide gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.